In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from TonKeeper to Binance step by step. First, open the Binance app and log into your account. Tap Deposit, then choose Crypto and search for USDT. Next, select the TON network if you are sending USDT on the TON blockchain. Binance will then show you your deposit address, and sometimes a memo or comment if required. Copy the deposit address carefully. Next, open the TonKeeper app and unlock your wallet. On the main screen, tap your USDT balance, then select Send. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier into the recipient field. After that, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Double-check the network, wallet address, and amount before confirming. If Binance requires a memo or comment, paste it into the comment field in TonKeeper. Finally, confirm the transaction. After the transfer is processed on the TON blockchain, the USDT will appear in your Binance account balance once the deposit is confirmed. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.